Hi kids. Welcome to Rain and Shine. Today, we are going to make some fun and easy crafts. We will be making animals from paper plates. Are you excited? Let's begin. First, let's make a lion. Take a paper plate and paint it yellow. This will be the lion's face. Next, cut strips of orange and brown paper and glue them around the edge of the plate to make the lion's mane. Draw eyes, a nose, and a mouth on the plate with a black marker. Wow, look at that! We have a roaring lion. Now, let's make a fish. Take another paper plate and cut a small triangle from one side. Glue the triangle to the opposite side to make the fish's tail. Paint the plate in bright colors and add patterns like stripes or dots. Draw an eye and a mouth with a marker. Great job! We have a colorful fish swimming in the sea. Last, we will make a frog. Paint a paper plate green. This will be the frog's face. Cut 2 circles from white paper and draw black dots for the eyes. Glue the eyes to the top of the plate. Draw a big smile on the frog's face with your marker. Wow! That frog looks so happy. You did amazing today. We made a lion, a fish, and a frog using paper plates. Thank you for making crafts with me today. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to Rain and Shine, and join us next time for more fun activities. Bye-bye.